Welcome to Warehouse Sales. Today we're talking about the 442 litre Fisher & Paykel stainless steel fridge. It's got the flat door design, so it's very stylish. If you have a look inside, they've got plenty of space inside the fridge because it's got the bottom mount freezer. It's also got humidity controlled crispers. If you have a look inside the freezer, they give you 3 roll-out compartments. So we've got one big tub on the bottom, 2 tubs on the top, and an ice compartment in the middle. For any more information, head to warehousesales.com.au.